Hey, I'm Suzanne Bowen from Astrocom and DIDX Techathon and also blog.tmcnet.com at the 2600 AC booth. And we're talking with some of the movers and shakers here. They have an exhibit at IT Expo West 2011 in Austin. And I was really intrigued by this little gadget here that is like a touch screen. It's like an iPad. You can connect your social network. But there's a whole lot behind all of this that we're going to find out about right now.
Hi. So my name is Darren Schreiber. I'm the CEO of 2600 Hertz. And what we do is we build scalable cloud telecommunication systems that run apps for carriers. So kind of think of the App Store, if you will, but on a carrier perspective. So you can take our platform and you can add functionality to it. If you want to run a unique conferencing service, or you want to run even video conferencing is potentially possible, or you want to do PBX services, or you want to think of something we haven't even thought of. You can take our building blocks that we give you, and you can build your own creation. And what we're excited about today is our partnership with Cloud Telecomputers, which takes our App Store interface, which looks like this, and it's all drag and drop and clickable and very interactive.
Yeah.
And this tool actually has something in it that allows you to run a conferencing service.
Okay.
And the problem with running a conferencing service, as people who've been at conferences know, is it can be kind of boring. It can be hard to hear people. It can be confusing who's talking. It can be somebody's late or making noise and you don't know who it is. These problems haven't really been solved in a way where a standard business user can figure out how to solve those problems naturally.
Good point.
And I think what the Cloud Telecomputers product allows us to do is actually run an app on the system itself where we can show that who's talking, who's listening, or who's on the conference bridge right from the screen itself. So the user doesn't have to learn anything new. They just use the phone as a phone called the conference bridge, and they can actually see the people on the conference bridge. And we're even going to go a step further and integrate speech recognition, so you can actually watch what people are saying.
That's so important.
And if you have multiple conferences or multiple people talking to each other in separate conferences, and you need to monitor both, you can even do that from one screen, where you can stream both of them at the same time. And you can talk more about the app.
Yeah.
And what's your name again?
I'm John Willenborg, and I'm with Cloud TC. And as Darren said, that's what's so exciting for us with this platform. When we set out to create the first Android desk phone, we had thought of a few applications that we thought could make calling and telephony so much more powerful. But we really, the sky is the limit. And with 2600 Hertz, what they're doing with conferencing and speech recognition is really what we want to see out of the whole industry, is these people taking these ideas, taking them to the next level, and really, creating stuff that's never been created before. And we're quite proud of our Android desk phone, and hopefully, we can be that, not just the 2600 Hertz, but, a lot of people out there.
All right. And I forgot to introduce Darren. You are Darren
Schreiber. 2600 Hertz.
That's right. And I discovered you via I think maybe Twitter or LinkedIn or something like that, and then I started looking at 2600 Hertz.
Yep.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Yep.
And I was so impressed. So yeah, that's why I'm over here at the booth sharing what you do with whoever is going to be looking at tmcnet.com.
Well, and it's all open source. That's one thing I forgot to say.
Open source. All right.
Take it, use it, build on it, produce something cool.
Make your dreams come true in business.
Phones let you do that, right?
Yeah.
Together, it's an awesome pair.
Really cool.
Really excited about this.
And you have another gentleman here with you?
Patrick Sullivan, the other co-founder of 2600 Hertz. And one thing, just to reiterate what Darren was saying, the platform is for large scalability, and that's kind of different mindset in the open source community. So check it out. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, and that brings me to a question. I know that we referred to that quite a bit when we did the podcast interview about what you guys do that is so interesting and exciting as compared to maybe what people perceive as your competitors. But could you remind us of that?
Sure.
Here?
So the goal is to build basically the largest, most scalable communications platform that's available. And it's not so much to do it so that it's the largest, it's to do it so that we can make it accessible and available to everyone. It shouldn't be something that's proprietary or secret. Everyone wants reliable communication, and that should be a natural, almost like a library you get for your computer programs, right?
Absolutely.
So That's the vision. Something that can be integrated anywhere, something that can be utilized anywhere for any kind of communications project.
All right. And so which website should we go to find out more?
So you can go to cloudtc.com, I believe.
Okay.
The phone.
All right.
You can go to 2600hz.com,
All right.
2600hertz.com to find us. We're also powered on the media side by the FreeSwitch project. The FreeSwitch project is a very, very awesome soft switch, and they are at www.freeswitch.org. And that's what allows all of the media communications to actually work.
Wow. Fantastic.
There you go.
All right. It was a joy talking with you guys.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.